Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own CV on Canva, also known as a resume. So if you want to create your own resume, you can use the search bar at the top, and then you can either type resume, and you can use this one. This is a blank template. Over here you also have suggested templates that you can immediately see, and you can also click on see all in order to find something more, but you can also search for something more specific like simple resume, professional resume, and so on and so forth. And of course this also works for CV. If we type CV, then we can for instance find professional CV and the same resume as before. So let's go back to resume and let's choose simple resume. And if we search for it, then we will see a bunch of different templates that we can use. Of course, some of them are locked behind the Canva Pro subscription. However, you should be also able to find some free ones. And the free ones don't have this crown icon in the bottom right corner. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And below that, once we choose this one, we can also find something, some more examples, some more templates that we can also use. But if we decide to use this one, we can click on customize this template. And then we will immediately open a project with the template. We don't really care about this one, we can close this. But here you can start editing your, you can start pretty much fill in. You can edit any text that you want. You can change the name, of course. You can change the photo. You can upload your photo by going to uploads over here. And then you can click on upload files, or you can simply drag and drop your image from your PC into the browser. And over here, let's zoom in a little bit. Over here you can zoom in. I'm gonna choose, let's say, this photo, and I can drag and drop it over here in order to quickly replace it. It's really that simple. You can also change the colors. Over here I have this this rectangle over here. Let's say I don't like this color, I can click on it. Over here I have the color, and I can change it to something different as I wish to. Furthermore, you can also change, you can change everything really. As long as you can click on it, then you can change it. If you have a bunch of different text, then of course you can change the font over here, you can change the size, you can make the text bold, etc., and so on and so forth. You can add more text by going to text over here, and here you can click on add a text box over here where you have it will be immediately added to your resume. And of course, if you want to, you can click on it and press delete in order to quickly remove it. So after you pretty much fill in everything, after you create your resume, if you want to save it, then all you need to do is click over here in the top right corner, you have share, click on it, and then you can click on download, and then depending on the file type that you want to use, you can change over here. So for instance, you can use PDF standard or PDF print for a little bit better quality. So if you care about the quality, then most likely you will use this one instead of the standard PDF. And once you select this one, and you might be wondering what's the difference between the standard and the print. Well, the print uses 300 dpi resolution, and the standard one, I believe something about 70 or so. I might be wrong in this one, but print, I'm pretty sure print uses 300 dpi. And then you can click download, and after a few seconds you should be able to download it on your PC. After a few seconds, and then you should be able to save it, and then you can send it for a job application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.